In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell products on Wix step by step. Whether you're setting up an online store for the first time or looking to improve the way you sell your products, this guide will help you navigate the process smoothly. First, you'll need to head over to Wix.com and log into your account. If you haven't created an account yet, I recommend doing that first so you can follow along with the rest of the tutorial. Once you're logged in, find the website where you want to sell your products and click on Edit Site. This will open up the website editor where you'll make all the necessary changes to get your online store up and running. Before you proceed, check to ensure that Wix Stores is installed. This app is crucial for selling physical products because it provides all the tools you need to manage your inventory, orders, and more. If you haven't installed it yet, go ahead and add it to your site. Now that your essentials are in place, navigate to the Store Pages section. Here, you can tweak how your store looks and functions. Select Product Page to choose where your products will be displayed and how customers will interact with them. Next, head over to Manage Products. Click Dashboard, then Store Products, and finally, plus New Product. Here you'll be able to enter details about your products. Select Physical Product as your product type, as we'll focus on selling tangible items you can ship to your customers. With your product type set, it's time to set up your inventory and shipping details. First, activate stock tracking to prevent overselling. Make sure to input the correct quantity available for each product. Next, configure your shipping settings by visiting Settings, then Shipping and Delivery. You can define shipping regions, set rates, and choose delivery methods. Consider offering free or flat rate shipping to attract more customers. Next, you'll want to set up your payment methods. Navigate to your dashboard, go to Settings, and select Accept Payments. You'll need to enable payment gateways such as PayPal, Stripe, or credit debit cards and test the checkout process to make sure everything flows smoothly. Once you've set everything up, it's time to publish your product. Ensure it's visible on your store page and customize the Add to Cart button, layout, and styling. It's a good idea to preview your page to see how it looks from the customer's perspective. Finally, manage your orders efficiently. When a customer makes a purchase, you'll get an order notification in your Wix dashboard. Prepare your product for shipping, update the order status, and provide tracking information if you haven't. Keep an eye on your inventory levels to avoid running out of stock. Use Wix Analytics to track your sales and customer feedback, which will help you optimize your store over time. And there you have it. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to selling products successfully on Wix. Happy selling!